Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am taking a transport of race cars to the racetrack. So let's hop into it. Alright, now first I have my semi truck. It's blue. Very nice. So we need to go pick up my semi trailer, which I think is that white outline over at the trailer store. And we are picking up 3 race cars to transport to the racetrack so people could race tonight. Now, if you are watching this video, make sure to like and subscribe and join my Discord. It is in the bio, or in my bio. So make sure to join that. And thank you. So it should be, that is the racetrack right there. And the trailer is right up there. So should be quick and easy. Just get the trailer, get the cars, drop them off. Okay. And here is the trailer. Okay, so we got the trailer. We just need to go get the cars. And they should be at the body shop because the people just finished working on them. So they're going to be all nice and fast and stuff for tonight's race. And those are the cars. Alright, let me just pull up. And there. Alright, so just open the doors, put the ramps up. Alright, so we got a gray Firebird. We got a pink Mustang, and we got a grayish black Corvette. I don't know if they did any work on this one because there's dirt on it. I think they just tinkered with the engine on this one, but they cleaned and wrapped these ones. So let's put these on the trailer. First, I'm gonna put the Firebird on. Need to make sure I don't hit the front of the trailer. Whoa. I can't tell if I'm hitting it or not. Back up just a little bit. Parking brake and off. Am I touching it? Nope, just barely touching it. Alright. Now let's put the Mustang. If you guys want to be in videos like this, make sure to join my Discord and say something in it. And I will have, or I'll be hosting like auditions to be in the video. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Parking brake, ignition. Alright, we could scoot it up a little bit more, but I think we'll have enough room for the Corvette. Yep, more than enough room for the Corvette. Alright. Time to put the Corvette on. This Corvette is very snappy. Okay, that should be... Whoa, I'm rear-ending the Mustang. Alright, am I hitting the Firebird? Nope. Am I hitting this anymore? Nope. Alright. Yeah, we're fine. I think. And, yep, we're good. Now, time to transport these to the racetrack. So, just hop in the semi-truck. Alright, we need a turn here. Alright. Now it's just a straight shot from here. Oh, wait, nope, it's right here. I was gonna say it was a straight shot, but we're already here. Alright, so that is the racetrack. They want me to unload them in the area right here. I have no clue how I'm gonna turn. Oh, wait, no, they wanted me to park in the parking lot. I think that's this way, though. Yep, the parking lot is right here. Let's park in one of these slots. I think I'm doing this right. I guess there is other shipments of cars every now and then. Alright, as I was saying, there should be other shipments of cars every now and then because they got multiple semi spots. But I didn't really park in the semi spots. I just parked. But hey, we're getting the cars unloaded. That's all that matters. I'm just gonna park them right here. Alright, so that's the Corvette. So, car number 1. About to be car number 2. The pink Mustang. Well, I almost just nailed the Corvette. And the the Mustang, car number 2. And finally, all the way up the trailer, the Firebird. And car number 3, the Firebird, perfectly parked and aligned. All I need to do is close my trailer and I'll be good. Alright. So, we got all the cars delivered. Alright. We got all the cars delivered. The rusty Corvette, the pink Mustang, and the gray Firebird. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn those notifications on so you never miss a video. And join my Discord, it's in my bio, to maybe get featured in videos like this. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next video.